Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to easily create this hover image slider using Framer. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. I'm also sharing a free remix link which you can find in the description below. Now let's create our project. First, open your project and go to layers. Click this desktop and click this layout to make it stack. Now change the fill color to 000. Press F on your keyboard to create a frame like this and make it a component by right click on it and create component, or you can use this shortcut here. Name it anything. I'm naming it images. Now change the width to 1200 and we will adjust the height later. Next, we need to create 5 image boxes like this. To create each image boxes, simply add a frame again and increase the width to 400 pixel and change the height to 600 pixel. Now click this variant 1 and name it just 1 or anything you would like. Change the height to fit content. Remove its fill color and add some padding like 40 pixel. Now double click on the frame and name it anything. I'm naming it image 1. Scroll down, add some radius like 40, and inside this frame we will take another frame. It's for containing our images. Click this image 1, click this layout to make it stack. Now click this frame and name it image. Change the width to relative 100%. Same here, 100%. Now remove the fill color here. Now click this image 1 and press Ctrl or Command D on your keyboard to duplicate it. Name it image 2 and change the height to 180. Now duplicate it 3 more times. Now change the name here like image 3, 4 and 5. Click this image for upload our images. Click this fill image. Click the image 2 image and upload here. It seems like the radius isn't working as expected. Let's take a look at what's going on. We just need to change the overflow setting to hidden. Same goes here. We can select all the image and simply change the overflow to hidden. As you can see, when we hover over the image, it expands, meaning we need to increase the width of that image. Meanwhile, the other images return to their default size, except for the first one. Now we need to create 4 more variants for the remaining images. After that, we will add the interaction. Let me walk you through the process and you will understand everything as we go. Just follow along for the next couple of minutes. Click this primary, the variant 1, zoom out a bit and click this variant. Click again. Now change the variant 2 to only 2, 3, 4 and 5. select the variant 2, go to the image 2 and change the width to 400 pixel, and select the image 1 and change the width to 180. Similar on the variant 3, select the image 3, its parent layer, change the width to 400 pixel and click this image 1, change the width to 180. Repeat the process for the remaining images. Now comes the fun and easy part, adding interactions. Start by selecting primary one. Since this will be our default image, so select the image 2, click this interaction, new transition, select mouse enter and select the variant 2. Now let's give it a preview to see. Yes, it's working, but we have a easier option to do this. Let me just remove this interaction. You can just simply click this image and click this icon and drop it here. Select mouse enter and that's it. Now do the same for the image 3. Click on this image, select the parent, let me zoom out a bit and drop it 3, mouse enter. Now let's give it a preview. It's working, but as you can see, it's not returning to the default image. Like here. To fix this, we need to create a mouse leave animation for each item. Simply select the variant 2, image 2 and click this icon and drop it to the variant 1 and select mouse leave. Now select the variant 3, image 3, click this icon and drop it here. Select mouse leave. Now select the variant 4, image 4 and drop it to the variant 1. Now let's give it a preview to see how it looks. Yes, it's working perfectly. Now we have the last thing to do, that is adding this text and button. And let's take a frame by pressing F, drop it to the image 1 and make it absolute and drag it here. Set the width 400 and pin it left and right and pin it from the bottom and adjust it a little bit like this and increase the height, I guess 200 pixel, and remove its fill color. Now click this layout to make it stack and name it anything. I'm naming it text and button. Now press T to add text and paste our text. Remove the style, increase the height little bit, I guess 25, and change the color to white. It's FFF. Align it left, change the width to fill and add some padding, I guess 20 pixel. Now take another frame for button, click this text and button and change the direction to vertical and click this text again and press up arrow on your keyboard to place it at the top Now click this frame, decrease the width to I guess 150 and increase the height to 40 pixel I guess. Make it rounded like this. Change the fill color to white and again press T to add text. Now click this frame and name it button to keep it organized and make it stack. Click this button and make it fill. Increase the size to 18 pixel. Change the weight regular to bold and add some padding here as well, like 20 pixel. Click this text and button, align it, start. Now copy this by pressing Ctrl or Command C and go to the variant 2 here. Click this image 2 and paste it here. Adjust it little bit like this. Also here. Now click on this image 3 and paste it here. Now do the same for the rest of the variant. Okay, now let's give it a preview to see how it looks. Alright, it's almost perfect. The final step is to hide the button and text of the first image when hovering over the other images. So to do this, go to the image 2 and click this text and button. Scroll down and select the visible no. Same here. Now let's see it again. Yes, that's how you can create a hover image slider. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. I've also included a free remix link in the description so you can customize it to your liking. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video inshallah.